name is Shreya. I am from NIE. I am the Student Placement Coordinator of Computer Science Department. Today's topic is heights and distances. Basically, there are few formulas before starting the topic. The formulas are trigonometry. When we draw a triangle, the angle between A and B is called theta, and there is a right angle triangle. So sin theta is equals to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So here in this figure it is OB divided by AB. Cos theta is equals to OA divided by AB. It is nothing but base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base, that is OB by OA. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, and secant theta is 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Some of the identities which we need to know: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta is equals to 1 by cot square theta. Now moving on to the angles for which we need to know the values. From 0 to 90, like sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. And tan theta is 0. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, and tan 90 is not defined. Now, angle of elevation. If a man looks up at an object P from O, which is placed above the level of his eye, then the angle which line of sight makes with the horizontal O is called angle of deviation of P as seen from O. Now, angle of depression. If a man looks down at an object P from O is placed below the level of his eye, then angle which line of sight makes with the horizontal O is called angle of depression of P as seen from O. Now we will solve some questions based on this. Two ships are sailing in the sea on the two sides of a lighthouse. So let us assume that OP is a lighthouse. The angle of elevation of top of the lighthouse from ships are 30 and 45 degrees respectively. Like two ships are on each side of the lighthouse, and one ship is making an angle of elevation of 30 degrees and other is making 45 degrees. So let us assume that positions of ships are at A and B. If the lighthouse is 100 meters high, so the height of the lighthouse given is 100 meters. So we need to find the distance between two ships, that is AB according to the figure. So from the triangle OAP, we can find tan 30, which is nothing but perpendicular by base. So that is OP divided by OA. So OP is 100 meters given, OA we need to find. Let us assume it as X. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So that equal to 100 by X. So X is 100 by root 3. So X is nothing but OA. Now, from triangle OPB, we can find tan 45 is equals to 100 by OB. Tan 45 is 1. So OB is equals to 100 meters. Therefore, the distance is equals to OA plus OB. So 100 root 3 plus 100. So if we calculate, the value will be 273 meters. Moving on to the next question. An observer 1.6 meter tall. Given that a person is of 1.6 meter tall and he is away from a tower which is located at a distance of 20 root 3. So a tower, let us assume as OP. So the distance from the tower and the man standing is 20 root 3. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So let us assume the point here as some A, and here it is as B, and it is C. So as the length of PB and CA are equal, so we can say CA value is 20 root 3 and AP value is 1.6 meter. So now tan 30 is equals to some OA by 20 root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and it is OA by 20 root 3. So OA is equals to 20. So total tower height is equals to OA plus AP. So 20 plus 1.6 is equals to 21.6 meters. Thank you.